Hello fellow scripter, and welcome to the intro episode of my Roblox tutorial series. I've been helping people learn how to script for a long time now, and I noticed a few issues with the existing tutorials out there. They're either outdated, overcomplicated, technically inaccurate, or just too long. So I will be addressing all of these issues in this series. In today's episode, I will show you where to download Roblox Studio, how to create a new project, and how to adjust the layout to optimize your workflow. So to install Roblox Studio, simply search Install Roblox Studio in your internet browser, click on the top result, click on Download Studio, ignore this, just click behind it, click Download Studio again, save, run the installer. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait for it to finish. Now that you've logged in and installed Studio, you can click on New Experience, and this here is Roblox Studio. So first thing I would do to edit the layout is drag this output box up one section, because we don't need all this space for text, and now we have more space to see our properties and Explorer, etc. This toolbox here lets you add user-generated content to the game, like this, but we don't really need to do that in this series, so you can just close the toolbox. And then I would recommend moving the properties to the other side of the screen, so you just drag it here, and then move your mouse onto this box on the left, or if you want to swap them over you can do that, but I'm used to having my Explorer on the right. And the next thing you can do is change the theme to dark mode if you like the look of my theme and you're currently on light mode. You can go to File, Studio Settings, search Theme, click on this box here and then click on Dark. And that's it for editing the layout. And there's one more thing that's useful to do while learning scripting, which is to disable Roblox's code generation AI. So just head over to File, Studio Settings again, search Assist, and I will disable these three boxes. You can explore these tabs if you like, but we're going to learn more about the things we can do in Studio as we go through the series. So the last thing is how to save. You can either press Ctrl S on Windows or Command S on Mac, or you can click File, Save to Roblox. You can set the place name here, My First Place. You can leave these devices as they are, but this is just what type of device will be able to play your game. When I'm making a test place, I just leave computer checked. I would disable Team Create. What this does is allows you to work on this project with other people, with friends, etc. Sometimes if you have bad internet and you're writing code, it just doesn't let you write the code. And then data sharing just sends your project data, I believe it's just your code, I'm not too sure, to Roblox, and they use it to train their code generation AI. So I would just leave this off and then click Save, and then you can close this. You can close your place up here and you can find it again in Recents or Experiences and also Home. So that's all for this episode. I'd love to see how you got on in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to know when I release more episodes. Have an excellent day, and I'll see you in the next episode.